Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to be making some biscuits, but it's going to be a little bit different than the ones we normally see out there. So that's 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, always make sure your baking powder is fresh, a half a teaspoon of salt, let's just mix that up together. Make sure that it's all combined. 6 tablespoons of butter, cold butter. Just gonna pulse it just about 6 times. May not even be 6, just to break it up a little. And 1 cup of buttermilk. Start off with about 3/4. And then add the balance. 1 cup of cold buttermilk. As soon as it comes together, that's it. Dump it out on my board. It's a little sticky, so we're going to add a little flour on here. This is cold and nice. That's what you want. Not too much flour. Make this in a little square, press it out. See, and they're little pieces of butter. That's why I like doing it like this, because they're little pieces of butter. In the dough. So we're going to turn it, press it down. Turn it, press it over again. Turn it, press it over. This is how you get the flakes in it. Turn it, press it down, turn it, press it over. You're not kneading it, you just want to press it and turn it over so that you get those nice flaky rolls in it. Now I think I've done this about 6 times, but I'll do one more. And that's it. Now we press it all the way out, all the way. Give it a nice square. Because you fold it enough times, you will get those nice layers in there. Okay, now we're not supposed to play with this too long. So here we go. Now, at this time, you cut your biscuits and you bake them. 425 or 450, depending. Okay, cut them. Get that nice cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my muffin pans because we're going to make something a little bit different today. Okay, just turn that in, turn it in, just so that you don't play with it too much. Just turn it in, turning it on itself, press it down, and you go again. Turn it in, press it down, the goal is to get as much as you can out of it. Turn it in and press it down. Okay, so we got 7 and a little piece. Alrighty, now this is what we're gonna do. Like I said, I have my muffin tin here, and I'm gonna be doing something different. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna place them in our muffin tin. Now my muffin tin is a little bit deeper than your average muffin tin, okay? So I'm just gonna press it down in here, make like a little well, put one in each, press it down, give it that little deep shape, because we're going to be adding some eggs in here. Press them in. Get that little groove going. Because you really want that little center to hold your eggs in here. Okay. You want it to come right up almost to the side, up to the sides of the muffin tin. Just so that what you're going to fill it with, it will hold it in place. Let's take a piece off here and patch this one. It's just like that. As easy as that. This I'll bake by itself. Now, my fixings that I'm going to be putting in there, very easy, quite easy. So I have six eggs here. I'm just going to beat them up. I'm going to put a teaspoon of meat seasoning. A half a teaspoon of white pepper. This is 1/3 of a cup. Add some in each. Get them all filled up. As best as you can. Okay. And then you're going to add some. This is turkey bacon. Now you can use regular bacon. There's no antibiotics in this one. Okay. Just cleaning this off because it tends to burn when you put it in. So I have my turkey bacons here. Just add a little to each one. Now this is 4 strips of turkey bacon that I placed in the microwave on high for like 3 minutes. And then I chop them up, add them in here. And then I'm just going to add some green onions in here. and you're going to bake these for at least 20 minutes, depending on your oven. But we're going to bake them up for 20 minutes, okay? Thanks for watching. See you when it's all done. Now your oven must be on 425 or 450. Gives you that nice look.